Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now, as y'all gonna see from the thumbnail, this is the one of one I was talking about. But the thumbnail's not gonna do this sneaker any justice. So y'all stick around and watch me unbox my first ever Air Force One NikeID, the Nigel Sylvester, all of that good stuff. Y'all watch me unbox these right now. Alright y'all, so I appreciate y'all coming back to the channel. I appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. If you're new to the channel, please don't hesitate to watch some of my old content, man. Make sure you like what you see before you subscribe. But if you like what you see, don't hesitate to hit that red subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up button on this, man. This sneaker means more than just your regular NikeID. I haven't even worn the Air Force One in a long time, but Nigel Sylvester and Nike gave everybody an opportunity to make something that meant something to them. So I'm not gonna ramble on anymore. I'm gonna get into the details of this sneaker. I ordered this sneaker 2 months ago, and I'm just now getting it, but I hope it's worth the wait. So I don't have my blade here today, so I'm going to use my handcuff key. See if I can crack into this. And this is obviously not your normal Nike box with your oh, this is easy. Alright. With your striped tape. It's almost the size of a shoebox. So I don't know if that's normal or not, but whatever, as long as it got what I need, I really don't care. Got your white box. See if I can squeeze this out of here.
Oh, that's heavy. I better use my strong hand.
And as you can see, a big difference right off bat. You got your all white. It says Nike by you. Obviously, I created this sneaker myself. And I remember the colors. I don't even remember all the details myself because it's been so long waiting on this sneaker, waiting on to get a new tracking name, waiting to get an update, that I'm just as excited as you guys. This will be my first time seeing this sneaker in person since I created it. That out of the way. And I hope it's worth the wait. Oh, baby. Oh. Let me see if they put anything special on the... No, they just put... Look, they even got my name on there. Nike by Bobby. And the sneaker size 10.5. Wow. Wow. Now, I went with... A lot of people would say Gucci colors and all of that stuff. I really don't care about none of that. I don't own anything Gucci. So they ain't... Gucci colorway ain't gonna do nothing for me. I can't afford none of that stuff. So, as you can see, you got your all black patent leather all around the uppers of this sneaker. Now, when I said these meant so much more to me than just your regular ID. On the back, on the heel of these, this is velvet and in green, like this Hunter Gucci green. It has 9 pounds, 2 ounces. That was Josiah's birth weight.
Damn!
He's a big boy. And that's what I put on the heel of these. So it just gave me an opportunity, man, to represent my son. I'm gonna do an on foot of these, obviously not now, but I'll be doing a video soon showing y'all these on foot. So let's go through a little bit of the details on these sneakers. Some little cool things to look at, man. Now, like I said, you can see you got your all black patent leather uppers all around the uppers. You got your gold swoosh. This is like, it's a very, very soft leather. It's almost like a suede. tumbled all the way around on both sides. You got your gold laces and your gold tongue with your white Nike Air on the front. You got your AF1 right here, your lace holder. Down here you got your Air in red, and all of these were options. You could have changed these to any color you wanted, but this is the colorway I went with, and this is velvet. All of this is velvet.
This is beautiful. What is that, velvet?
It is not suede, it's not nubuck. This is actual velvet on the heel tab and on the sock liner. On the inside, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but it says Nike by Nigel. Obviously that's Nike, Nigel Sylvester. And you got your gold lace tips. And you got your double Nike swooshes on the outside of the sneaker. You got your gold up top, and you got your mini red Nike swoosh embroidered into the patent leather. Now on the left sneaker, it's the same exact thing. It's the same exact setup. The only thing that's different is this one has the 9 pounds on it. And this, I've been waiting 2 months for these, and these are definitely worth the wait, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below. How do y'all feel about these? Did any of y'all create your own Nigel Sylvester Air Force One? Have you made a lot of Nike IDs in general? This is actually my first one that I can remember. Maybe when I was younger I might have, I can't remember. If I did, it was a long time ago. But these came out fire. These came out super clean. And this, like, even with the lace holders, like, this is not normal leather. Like, I don't know what this gold is up here, but it feels different. It's like a satin or something, man. It's crazy. These are dope. And you got your all black outsole. I didn't want to go too crazy. I could have made these red, but I didn't want it to look stupid. So I just blacked it out. I murdered out the bottoms, murdered out the uppers, and just did the gold, red, and green. I just felt like this is a clean colorway, man. And like I said, man, I told y'all I had a one of one coming. This is the one of one I was talking about. How y'all think they came out, man? 9 pounds, 2 ounces. My son, Josiah, this represents you. Daddy loves you. And I'm gonna do an on foot of these, man. It's not gonna be some super long drawn out video, man. I just wanted to show y'all these on the channel, man. One of one. You're not gonna see nobody else with this. Shout out to Nigel Sylvester. I didn't like the Jordan 1s too much, even though that's my favorite silhouette. I haven't worn an Air Force One since high school, but I felt like this is a great opportunity to take advantage of that. And I also shout out to my cousin Troy, man. He hit me with like a 20% off, so I only paid $110 for these. $110 for my Nike ID. So I think they were $130, and I got, you know what I'm saying, a little bit off. But 2 months wait, I think it was worth it. What y'all think? Ovi!